Over the years, the range of profiles and tapes we've done here at TLW have developed whenever we've got clients that are looking for solutions to specific problems. The case in point here is the side emitting tape. Now, when you look at a standard tape, the diodes themselves are all on the flat. Now, when they were first brought out, the manufacturers kind of thought that they were going to be set along the top of plinths facing outwards, so therefore there wouldn't be a problem. However, that's not how designers used it because they didn't want to see them. They wanted to see the light coming out of them, but not the product itself. So what happened then was they tended to be inverted and flipped upside down, which of course becomes a problem whenever you've got right angles or curves, which in the UK there's a lot of curves in kitchens. So what we've designed here is a side emitting tape. So as you see here, the diodes, instead of being along the top, are actually curved underneath. That allows us to fix these in points so that you can actually bend them at 90 degrees, or you can actually bring them around a complete curve in a circle. We use this mostly under worktops. So where you've got a solid work surface, they'll have it routed out and router a groove out. This will be installed into it, and then that way the light will come down onto a handleless profile or onto the drawer front or the door front. And it's a really good way of lighting up those areas without having problems when it comes to doing the angles, etc.